Okay, what we have here is a 19-foot Wil-Ro removable dovetail landscape body, what we call a revolution body. You start off, you've got a slide-out gate in the front here, and what that is there for is to prevent whatever you're hauling on the body from getting too far forward on the front axle, causing weight issues. But that is a removable divider. If you'll look here on the dovetail, you've got a gate also that will slide out here, so you can load your mowers, and it is just like your standard landscape body. As you can see, you've got trimmer racks, underbody toolbox, overhead storage, water cooler rack over here, and a tool rack there. And then what we're about to do, well, you also have dual fold down sides, which can be removed or unlatched here and on the other side. And what we'll do is in the next video we'll show how to remove the dovetail. Okay, this is the underneath of the body. You have a turnbuckle here that's pinned and welded on one end of the removable dovetail. Then it's got a pin here. Then you've got a jack for a support that rotates around, and then your ICC bumper here is the other place where these supports just sit on top of the ICC bumper. And then you also have these safety chains here. This one's been undone, but there's a safety chain right there. Okay, what you start off by doing is dropping these two rear legs and putting your pins in. Okay, and then the next step is you come over here, you remove this pin after you
we're not gonna let the jacks down.
Loosen the turnbuckle. Ray, if you can drop the jack down there.
Yeah.
And that pin just rotates around.
I just can't get around to see it.
There we go. And rotate that down. In the meantime, this turnbuckle loosens right here. You do this until you take enough pressure off of the pin here. Is that sitting on the ground now?
Yeah. Pretty well down.
And as you can see right here, the dovetail is coming apart right there.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we dropped this support here. We need to remove the safety chain.
Over there.
And then go ahead and take the safety chain loose over there. We release this turnbuckle and we go ahead and take the pressure. And that pin comes right out. So now, as you can see, the dovetail has been removed and we can just pull away from it. So now we've got the body separated and it just slides right off. Whoa! As you can see, the configuration. And now you've got a little 14-foot dump truck that has a towing package on the back. with an electric hydraulic hoist to make you a nice little dump truck. So 2 trucks for the price of 1. So now to put the body back together, you just line this point up with this point. The triangular design of this lip makes it easy to bump the body and the dovetail back together, and then just reverse the steps as to where you removed it.
Yeah.
So we start by hooking the turnbuckle back up.
There it is. Alright.
Flip your switch around.
Yeah. See, it'll pull it right up. See, that's closing that gap.
Oh, that's good. On the other side, you repeat the same. Of course, you fold your supports back around, and you're ready to go.